In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use toggles in Notion. Simple and beginner-friendly. Think of toggles as little drawers for your content. They let you hide details until you need them, so your page stays clean and focused, but all the information is still right there when you want it. First, open Notion and head to the page you want to edit. This can be any page, your notes, a project plan, or a study guide. Once you're on the page, click exactly where you want the toggle to appear. To create it, type slash, then the word toggle, or type slash, then toggle list, and press Enter. Both options create collapsible sections. Toggle gives you a single toggle block, while toggle list is great if you want a series of toggles one after another. Next, type the toggle title. This is the main text that will always be visible. Keep it short and clear so you can quickly scan your page. Think of it like a headline or label that describes what's inside. After you've named the toggle, press Enter and start adding the content inside the toggle. This can be regular text if you're keeping it simple, or you can add richer content like images, checklists, bullet lists, even tables. Notion treats the inside of a toggle just like any other part of your page, so you can format your content to fit your workflow. The key idea is that whatever you place here stays neatly tucked away until you open it. To open or close a toggle, click the small arrow icon to the left of the title. When the arrow points down, the toggle is expanded and you can see the content. When it points to the right, the toggle is collapsed and the content is hidden. This makes it easy to reveal details only when you need them, which is especially useful for long pages. Repeat this process to add more toggles wherever it makes sense. Create a section for each topic, question, or task group so your page stays organized and easy to navigate. Over time, you'll get a feel for how descriptive your titles should be and how much content to keep inside each toggle. That's it. Simple, clean, and powerful. And that's how you use toggles in Notion to organize your content neatly. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.